welcome back. It's me, Brother Clone, and what you just saw was my boy, Michael Shannon. I know, you gotta love him. Like, comment, subscribe, flick my ding dong for any new notifications. For all those people that doesn't watch my video, go fuck yourselves and go get a life. But in actual respect, you probably do have a life compared to mine. But still, fuck off. You know, fuck off. Alright, roll the clip. Repair guy here, okay? Who the hell are you?
I'm the TV repair guy, okay? I got my toolbox right here. Got on Amazon, pretty good price. I'm here to repair TV. Is it the flat screen or the box over here?
Oh shit, I forgot. TV repair guy. It's not this TV, it's the one in the back right there. It's a tiny box TV, you might have to clean it off a little bit. Volume's fucked up on it, so that's the main problem. The volume's fucked up.
Oh, I see what we have here. Oh, there. You said the problem was the volume? The volume? Well, one problem is the TV ain't fucking hooked up. That's one of your problems here. I'm gonna have to hook her up and then turn her on and see how she's working.
Do you need any help? I can help you with the TV or anything. I know my way around a screw or two, you know. I can use a wrench or some shit.
Let me just clear this off over here. Looks like... Oh, yeah. Well, the tray just popped open, so that happened. Huh. Let me grab one of my tools here. Look at my toolbox. Yeah, that's some progress right there. Let's see what else I got here. Open. Turn on. Alright, there we go. We're making progress over here. Making progress. Alright, there we go. Alright. It looks like it's wiggly. There's a lot of blue on the screen. I don't hear no static. That means the volume's out. There's something wrong with the speaker on the side of it. Well, before I continue working on it, you want some chew, kind sir? I see you. Do you want some chew?
Nah, I'm more of a smoker than a chewer, but thank you for offering. Thank you.
Alright. And shoot yourself pretty good. Get a big pinch out there. Get a good sized pinch and you gotta dip it in there. Gotta get it in, gotta work it around a little bit, packing your lip, you know. Alright, so it seems like I might have to bang it a couple times and it'll get working. That's about right. Alright, let me test something here.
Hey, be careful with the TV. That thing's an antique. Alright? Well, it can dish out, it can dish what it can take out, you know, all that shit. It can take a hit, but don't break the fucking screen or anything, alright, man? Jesus Christ.
Let me grab a... Seems like that ain't working. Let me close this here. I'm gonna stand by and close. I got it. Yeah, there, yeah, I know what to do. Yeah. little bit of clean work here. Might be a little bit of $5 extra. There we go. About $50. Fix it.
About 50. All right. I'll pay you 100 if you actually get it to work, because that thing, I tried everything to get that fucker to work. It's not working.
You want to pay me 100 if I get this fixed? I know what to do. Watch. Just watch. Give me a second here. Alright. Where is it? Alright, I know what to do. Boom, you got volume. That'll be about $50. Let me pack up over here and I'll be over there.
I'll be damned. You fixed the fucking TV. I'll pay you like I said. Ooh, I only got $5. Will that do? I'll pay you the rest Friday?
Alright.
There we go.
$5. Alright. I'll be coming back Friday for the rest of my pay. Alright. If I come back Friday, you don't have my money, I'm gonna blow a hole through your ass. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll be seeing you soon.